Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop. So let's use the rectangular tool. There we will make the pattern. So I have to make it a new layer and then change the style of that one. There I will make the further layer again. Go back to the zero layer. Make a new layer for it. Here are the design. Again make the selection parallel to it. So it's the option of zero layer. We will make. Then there it is. We will keep on making new styles of the layer. There is the layer 1. Then here we will keep on making